To get started, you want to lay out your colours in your two sections, and you've got your different colours, and you can pick whichever colours you want according to your preference, or maybe team colours or something like that, and you want to lay them out like this, and you'll have your shortest threads in the centre and then your longest ones at either side. So to get started, I like to take the two threads in the centre and just knot these together. And then you can do whichever section you want to begin with and then work on the other one afterwards. So I'm going to start at this side. I'm going to take the thread next to the holding thread. I'm just going to do forward knots. And then taking the next thread here and again doing a forward knot. And then take the last thread and once again do a forward knot. And then to work back, I just want to do the reverse. So taking the holding thread, which will be at the end now, and then the one next to it, you want to do backward knot. And then do this until you've got this thread back in the centre. So once you've returned to your colour order at this side, you want to do a mirror image at that side of what you did here. So taking your centre thread and the one next to it, you're going to be doing backward knots. And then once you're at the end, you want to do the reverse. So taking your holding thread, take the one next to it, and then just do forward knot. And then do a forward knot until you've got your holding thread, this one, back in the centre again. And once you've got back to your original colour order, you can again take your two threads in the centre and just knot these together so that you join these two sections. So once you've done that, you've done your complete first section, and you want to keep repeating these all the way down until the bracelet is as long as you want it. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And to tie on the bracelet, I've just done 3 stranded braids at either end. And that is your completed bracelet.